And we're back at 3 o'clock rock with Paranoid by Black Sabbath. Here's the main riff. You're going to bar the 12th fret with your first finger right here, and you're going to do the E string and the A string, and you're going to do this little hammer on and pick the E and A string. So the first part is... The next part is going to be this, where you're going to do 2 hammer-ons on the 12th and 14th fret on the A string, and then 14th fret on the D string, and then back to the A string and back to the D string. So it's going to sound like this. So all together it's going to be like this. Good luck, and always helpful to have a nice little distortion pedal if you got it. Otherwise, just turn your gain up and your volume, turn your volume up too. All right.